That you sorted, Bobby?
Oh, aye. A wee bit of sawdust always does the trick. Give it a couple of minutes, it'll be right as rain, eh? Sawdust. Great stuff. You taking a gym class today?
No, actually, I've done my leg in. Playing football, it's torn ligaments. Takes 4 weeks to heal, apparently.
Nonsense. Give that 10 minutes, it'll be as right as rain. Sausages and a pan, I'll have two and you have one.
How's your chicken, sweetheart?
I don't know. It's a bit bland. Could do with some, do you know what I mean?
There you are. Give that a couple of minutes, that'll be fine. Mama's a millionaire.